What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Vlizog. In today's video, all right, down in the comment section, I have noticed that a lot of people have been wondering about my steering wheel. As you guys can see there, they've been asking me, is it stock? And the answer to that is yes. But I did do a modification to it, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Let's get into it. Now, for those of you who are wondering, this is a 2015 BMW 535. This is the M Sport package. As you can tell, it has the M steering wheel, the M side sills, whatever those are called, the M wheels, and also the M front bumper, right? Now with this steering wheel, as you can see, this is the 2015 one, so it is a newer one. It comes with this trim right here, right? This trim you can take off, all right? It's super easy to take it off. All you guys got to do is just clip, pull on that side, pull on this side. It's easier to do it with two hands, but I'm holding the camera, so you're gonna have to bear with me. It's not supposed to pop out like that. I did break a clip on the bottom, so that's why once I pull out the two tabs on top, it is just gonna fly out at me. But yeah, just be careful when pulling these out because these are fragile. But I think this piece on Amazon is like maybe $30 or something like that. You can get a carbon fiber one, but that one was like $130 or something like that. But anyway, yeah, so you could take this piece off. It's super easy to take off. And then what I have done was I went to AutoZone and I picked up one of these, right? It's just a spray can. I chose the color red. They do have other colors like blue, green, yellow, red, black. I think they had a silver, like a metallic. These are all metallic finishes. But yeah, I picked this up at AutoZone. I think this ran me $10. And yeah, so far I've liked it since I sprayed this. So what I did was I took this, I put it in a box, right? This was on a nice warm day. I do not recommend doing it on a cold day because the paint might splatter. Like it might come with dots and stuff like that. So make sure that your paint is like at a nice temperature and that you do it in a closed environment, like a box or something like that. Like, I mean, like you can do it inside, but I don't recommend that because, you know, you don't want the house smelling like paint or whatever. And outside, just make sure that there's no wind and no dust flying around where you're doing it, all right? So I took mine and I took the spray paint, shook it up, and I forgot how many layers I put on it because I did this so long ago. I think I put maybe 4 to 5 layers of spray paint, and I did it over time. So I did the first coat, right? I did a light coat, just like a small little mist, and I left it to dry for about like 5 to 10 minutes. And then I came back to the second coat, waited again 10 minutes, third and fourth coat, same thing. And as you can see, the results came out pretty clean. The only thing that I messed up on was the top. As you can see, my top is still gray. I did mess up on that, but that's like an easy fix, but I'm selling the car, so why even bother? So yeah, and just to put it back on, you just got to clip it on, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is a stock steering wheel. The only thing I did was just spray painted this piece to give it some extra flavor to it. And I think it looks way more clean than it did before, because this originally was this color right here, this gray or silver, like aluminum color. It was that, and it was like a matte no, it was gloss. This is like a matte finish. But yeah, I think this looks way much better than the other one. And like I said, the one on Amazon, the carbon fiber one, does look clean, but it is pricey. It is $130, and I'm pretty sure it's real carbon fiber too, but like I said, it's pricey. So I went this way. It was only $10, and I love it. You know, it looks clean. Look at it. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.